Like the way I look on the Chicago one. So we're gonna go buy a new camera.
Don't mind the mess over there. That's her side of the bed.
No, that's water.
My stuff's clean over
that's
there.
That's water.
Look at this ball up here. Got Louis Vuitton, goddamn briefcases and shit.
Vitamins.
Roxy, Roxy. What's that?
Prenatal vitamins.
Why are you taking them? Oh, I don't.
Baby, see, you put that camera in my face. Get that robot out
All right,
of
let's
my
go.
face.
No, I'm not perfect, no. I made my mistakes, and no. But all I want is love unconditional. Love unconditional. I don't deserve it, no. But it would be worth it all. All I want is love unconditional. Love unconditional.
One car down. Cadillac here. I don't know if you can see that joint. There. We in this joint. What the fuck this thing is? Woo! Oh, you can see now. This is that new Hyundai. Excuse me. I love the lights on this thing. This is hard. It's so hard. That shit dope as fuck. Hey man, it's your boy, Rick. R-I-C-K. You did. About to jump in this motherfucking Honda thing. No matter crash over there. That's from the Chicago trip. We're back. Gonna jump in this joint. Y'all see what it is. I hate this thing right here. Look at this shit. This is a 2019, right? It has a freaking key. Why does it have a freaking key? Everything is push button, push start, all technology, new stuff. I don't know what's going on when they made this copyright. When they made this freaking car, I don't know what they were thinking when they made this freaking car and they put a key in this joint. That's crazy. We're on our way to Best Buy. Then we'll get this new camera, you know what I'm saying? Plus it just looks better and it feels a lot better when you're walking around, toting around a big old, you know, top about man Canon joint, you know what I mean? Brand new joint, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, with the big boy looking like a big boy, you know what I'm saying? Looking like a real boy, you know what I mean? Yeah, that part. So y'all stay tuned.
Thoughts from your neighborhood inward.
Here we are. You see it. Me. Gotta love it. Oh, you don't like that?
No.
What kind of shit is that? You don't like that? That's a Honda. That's a brand new 2000.
That's a Hyundai.
Yeah, whatever. You say it how you want to say it. I say how I say it.
Hyundai.
It's a brand new 2019 car.
Okay, we're at Best Buy, you guys. We're getting rid of this.
No, we're not getting rid of anything.
Robot looking
We're not getting rid of nothing.
I always call this camera ET.
No, we're keeping this down. We're going to keep this down. I don't know what she's talking about.
Yeah, this camera looks like a robot.
Sure it does. Hey, how you doing? Pretty good.
Ask customer service really quick.
We got some business to take care of. Have trouble trying to take it. Oh, he's getting the camera. She's excited.
Oh yes, I am very excited.
Oh, look at that.
I don't. Yeah, we're getting rid of the ET robot one.
Oh, it's
getting
robot.
No, ET robot.
You gotta pull up on that joint. That Mark 3. Yeah.
Nice.
It is. Best Buy. Get this joint. $40 for this one. Yep. See how cool Best Buy is? We got Shutterfly credits. $50.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
We're out of here. How you feeling?
I'm super happy. We're getting rid of
Oh, you're
the
not
ET.
stoked?
I'm stoked.
Oh, I don't even know what that word. I don't even know what that word means.
Yeah, who says that
I don't know,
word?
some white
Y'all, we
folks.
just got a new camera. Finally, we got the Canon 7.
You don't even know what it is.
Yeah, I just
G7
got it.
Mark 3.
Right.
Mark 3. She don't know the difference. She just likes to look at herself.
No, it's not
That's
that I
all.
like to look at myself. I do know that this can't.
Yep, thank you.
This camera is way better because this ET robot.
ET robot.
I never know what I'm gonna do. There's my favorite store right there, Home Goods. We can go to Home Goods.
We're out of here. You see where we at, or where we were.
And then Home
Past
Goods,
tense.
one more down.
We're out of here.
What's my fave?
Stay tuned.
What?
Hella plugging Best Buy right now. They ain't even give us no discount, no deal or nothing, but it is.
It's hard, but we try to survive and get this money.
Looking at the #1 neighborhood nigga, I'm just a Southside East Lake ass nigga. You can take my word, but you can't take nothing from me. I take a bag of shirts and make it a bag of money. I'm the chief, ho. I won't stop working till my office deep, ho. I'm known for doing shit you never seen before. And if you ain't got my money, it's time to repo. Not on the D-low, nigga, I'm depot. Take your shit in your face like fuck you mean, ho. I am not a wolf hiding behind sheep's clothes.